Guys, good morning. Ito palang ginawa ko. Chinese New Year. Ito na kanina. Ito po ang incoming in Canada. So, pizza. Ito, chicken Canada. Pizza. Mayroon french fries. So wala kaming hash brown yun. So turon. So ito yung mga meal, budget meal. Ito yung mga budget meal. So may tapa, may sunny side up. So meron kaming jumbo. So Hungarian sausage. So meron kaming adobong pork. Meron kaming